the capital is getting ready for a Modi blitzkrieg today. As the BJP's prime ministerial nominee prepares to storm the capital, there has been the Congress bashing for the last 13 years. The party has pulled out all stops to ensure a massive gathering for his rally. But the big question remains, can Modi make a difference when the Delhi unit of the BJP is still a divided house?
It is a frantic effort to resurrect BJP ahead of the polls in the national capital and to push for eyeballs on their prime ministerial candidate Narendra Modi. Kicking off his campaign in the state, it appears that the buzz and hype around Namo is firmly in place. The BJP pulling out all stops, leaving no stone unturned to ensure only the best as Modi attempts to steal the coveted title from the king's very own backyard.
दिल्ली में श्री नरेंद्र मोदी की 29 सितंबर की पूरी तैयारियां हैं। नागरिकों की सुविधाओं के लिए यह कोशिश की है कि वो बस से आएं, मेट्रो अलग प्रकार की सुविधाएं वहां पर देगी, उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ाएगी और इसके अलावा लोग कार पूल करके आएंगे तो हमको भी सुविधा होगी, लोगों को भी सुविधा होगी, रास्ते में ट्रैफिक जैम्स ना हो। पंडाल में उनके बैठने की व्यवस्था की गई है, 20 स्क्रीन्स लगाई गई हैं ताकि वो उन स्क्रीनों पे मोदी जी को नजदीक से देख सकेंगे। जल की पानी की व्यवस्था की गई है और पार्किंग के अंदर बसों की व्यवस्था की गई है।
Preparations are going on with a full swing at Rohini's Japanese Park in the national capital, where Narendra Modi is supposed to have a massive rally on Sunday. In fact, this will be Narendra Modi's first rally in the national capital after he was announced and declared as the prime ministerial candidate by the BJP. As you can see, special arrangements have been made for the people who will be attending this rally. As per the BJP leaders, they are expecting a turnout of more than 50,000 people at the venue on Sunday.
The Sunday rally is expected to have, as Modi's rallies in the past have shown, its fair share of theatrics and over-the-top audio-visual gimmicks. Invitations have also been extended to over 50 foreign missions, out of which 36 have accepted. But this massive, or as the BJP calls it, historic event, raising serious questions. For one, will the Modi factor actually make a dent in the upcoming Delhi polls and clean the slate for a party which is in a disarray? Two, could the likely absence of senior leaders like Sushma Swaraj and LK Advani actually raise serious doubts about how united the party is? And how long can this prime ministerial trooping go on, ignoring the serious destruction and devastation that has just taken place in his own backyard? With Ati Anantanarayan in New Delhi, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.